In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a link to highlighted text in Firefox. Firefox includes a feature that lets you create a link pointing directly to a specific section of text on a web page. Instead of sending someone a link to the top of a page and asking them to scroll, you can generate a link that automatically highlights the text you selected when the page opens. This is a convenient way to share important information from lengthy articles, documentation, or reference pages. To begin, open Mozilla Firefox and navigate to the web page that contains the text you want to share. Wait for the page to finish loading before making your selection. Next, click and drag your mouse over the text you want to highlight. Be sure to select only the portion you want others to see, since the generated link will point directly to that selected text. Once the text is highlighted, right-click the selected text to open the context menu. Look for the option labeled Copy Link to Highlight. If the web page supports this feature, click the option to generate the special link. Firefox will automatically copy the generated link to your clipboard. You can now paste it into an email, a chat message, a document, or anywhere else you want to share it. When someone opens the link in a compatible browser, Firefox will attempt to scroll directly to the selected text and highlight it automatically. This makes it much easier for others to locate the exact information you're referring to without searching through the entire page. Keep in mind that this feature works only on supported websites and depends on the page remaining available without significant changes. If the content is edited or removed later, the highlighted section may no longer be found, even though the link still opens the page. Also remember that some websites may disable text fragments or use page layouts that prevent the feature from working correctly. If you don't see the Copy Link to Highlight option after selecting text, the page may not support it, or the feature may not be available for that particular website. That's all there is to it. As you can see, creating a link to highlighted text in Firefox is a quick and convenient way to share the exact section of a web page you want others to read. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,